Are Mazdas reliable? Mazda has built a strong reputation for reliability, performance, and affordability. Known for producing well-built, fuel-efficient, and fun-to-drive vehicles, Mazda often ranks above average in reliability compared to other brands. However, like all automakers, some models have experienced common issues. This guide covers Mazda's reliability, common problems, maintenance costs, and how it compares to other brands. 1. Mazda's reliability ratings. Mazda consistently ranks high in reliability studies and has a strong track record for long-term durability. J.D. Power Dependability Study ranks Mazda above average in reliability. Consumer Reports consistently ranks Mazda among the most reliable brands, often outperforming Toyota and Honda. RepairPal gives Mazda a 4.0 out of 5.0 reliability rating, placing it 5th out of 32 car brands. Mazda vehicles are more reliable than many mainstream brands, including Nissan, Ford, and Chevrolet. Second common Mazda problems. While Mazda is one of the most reliable car brands, some models have had notable issues, including rust issues. Older models. Some Mazdas, especially pre-2010 models, had problems with premature rust, particularly in colder climates. Automatic transmission problems. Some Mazda CX-5 and Mazda 3 models, 2014 to 2016, had transmission hesitation or failure. Infotainment system bugs. Some newer Mazda models have screen freezing or connectivity issues. Carbon buildup in Sky-active engines. Certain direct injection engines may develop carbon buildup over time, affecting performance. Newer Mazda models, 2018 and later, have seen fewer mechanical issues with improved transmissions, better rust protection, and updated infotainment systems. 3. Mazda's longevity and durability. Mazda vehicles can easily last 200,000 to 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. Many owners report driving their Mazda for over 15 years with minimal major repairs. Mazda does not use CVTs, continuously variable transmissions, like Nissan, which improves long-term reliability. Regular maintenance and oil changes are key to keeping Mazda's Sky-active engines running smoothly. 4th, maintenance and repair costs. Mazda vehicles have lower than average maintenance costs, making them a great long-term investment. Annual maintenance cost, around $462 per year, lower than Toyota and Honda. Fewer major repairs. Mazda vehicles break down less often than Nissan, Ford, or Volkswagen. Affordable parts. Parts and service costs are lower than European brands like BMW or Audi. Mazda is one of the cheapest brands to maintain, making it a cost-effective option for buyers. 5th, most and least reliable Mazda models. Most reliable Mazda models. Mazda CX-5, one of the most reliable SUVs, with a strong engine and minimal transmission issues. Mazda 3, a fuel-efficient and dependable compact sedan hatchback. Mazda MX-5, Miata, a sports car with exceptional reliability and longevity. Mazda 6, older models, a well-built midsize sedan with long-term durability. Least reliable Mazda models. Mazda CX-9, older models. Some models had transmission and turbocharger issues. Mazda 5, this discontinued minivan had suspension and rust issues. Mazda RX-8, rotary engines in the RX-8 were known for high oil consumption and premature failure. 6. Is a Mazda a good long-term investment? Yes, Mazda vehicles hold up well over time and offer a great balance of reliability, performance, and affordability. They are fun to drive, fuel efficient, and require fewer repairs than most competitors. With proper maintenance, a Mazda can easily last over 200,000 miles. Their resale value is solid, though not as strong as Toyota or Honda. Mazda is one of the most reliable car brands, offering low maintenance costs, long-lasting durability, and fun driving dynamics. If you're looking for a dependable, fuel-efficient, and well-built vehicle, Mazda is a great choice.